once again, friends. Welcome to another Mechanical Engineering License Board Exam Reviewer. And today we're gonna solve some math worded mixture problem. And it's regarding amounts of steel needed. So, problem is from the Mechanical Engineering Board exam on October 1994 in the Philippines. So, read the problem. 2,000 kilogram of steel containing 8% nickel is to be made by mixing a steel containing 14% nickel with another containing 6% nickel. How much of each is needed? Okay, it's a fair question. And we analyze the given. We have A, 2,000 kilogram steel, it's an 8% nickel. And got C1, 14% nickel, and C2, 6% nickel. And unknown are A1 and A2, the amounts of first and second steel. Now we're gonna define our letters here at the solution. So before we go to the solution, please allow me to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. Share the knowledge, please, and thank you. And we're back to the solution. So our working formula is A times C is equal to A1 times C1 plus A2 times C2, where A is the total amount of steel, C is the final percent of the mixture, and A1 is the first steel, C1 is the percent nickel of the first steel, A2 is the second steel, C2 is the percent nickel of the second steel. Okay, now that we defined our variables and we have a working formula, we can establish equation 1. So A, the total amount, is equal to A1 plus A2. We are given A as 2,000 kilogram is equal to A1 plus A2. Now we solve for A1. A1 is 2,000 minus A2. Okay. Now we establish equation 2. So equation 2, we will need to substitute the percentages of nickel and the amounts. So equation 2, we got A times C is equal to A1 times C1 plus A2 times C2. Okay, Let us first go to the given values. A equals 2000, C equals 8%, C1 14%, C2 6%. So we substitute those given values into this equation here. We got 2000 times 8 is equal to A1 times 14 plus A2 times 6. We've got 16,000 is equal to 14A1 plus 6A2. 14A1 is equal to 16,000 minus 6A2. Okay, that is our equation 2. Next step would be to substitute the value of A1 from equation 1. So in equation 1 we have A1 is equal to 2000 minus A2. So we substitute that value of A1 into equation 2. We get 14A1 is equal to 16,000 minus 6A2. So we've got 14 times 2000 minus A2. That's the value of A1. Is equal to 16,000 minus A2. So now we got 20,000 minus 14A2 is equal to 16,000 minus 6A2. We simplify even further. We've got 14A2 minus 6A2 is equal to 28,000 minus 16,000. We've got 8,2. Oh, we've got a battery 15% notification. Need to recharge my phone soon. Anyway, gotta hurry up a little bit. 8A2 is equal to 12,000. So we got A2 is equal to 12,000 divided by 8. And we've got A2 as 1,500 kilogram. Okay, now we need to solve for A1. Now we need to substitute the value of A2 that we just solved above into equation 1, which is A1 is equal to 2000 minus A2. We now substitute A2 as 1,500. We've got A1 is equal to 2000 minus 1,500. And we get A1 is equal to 500 kilogram. Okay, I hope this was useful to you. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, so cheers and have a good one.